Hey folks, I'm just here to give you a little Papa Texas update. We're going to get back to the cooking. We really will. We got a couple things coming up and I'm going to talk to you about them after this. It's Papa Texas. Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. Here's my bell right here somewhere. Okay, I've been working since, I don't even know what time it is. I've been working since 10 o'clock this morning outside. I'm going to show you, if you stay around here long enough, the things I got going on. I've been working on, and I finally starting to feel better. I still got a cold or whatever it is, but freaking, it's like 10% of what I had. I have no idea what I had. You know what? Let me tell you this. This is really interesting. So I've made probably 5 cooking videos. 3 of them were Uncle Steve Shake. Texas Cajun was one of them, and 2 of them were West Coast. And the sad part about it is, I made the videos, but when I got to the taste test and talking about it, there was no taste for Papa Texas because of what Papa has or anything. So I ex-nayed those. We'll get to those later when my taste test or my taste buds come back. But that's just the way it is. But I'm excited that I finally been working the yard all day. I mean, here, let me look at, I'll tell you what time it is. It's 6:42. I've jumped inside and done a couple of loads of laundry also. I had breakfast before I came out here. We got dinner. Gigi's in there making dinner right now. I did not take pictures beforehand of my yard, but I'm going to show you pictures afterhand of my cleanup. And I've been doing this for about 5 weeks, but today was the best freaking day because I'm starting to get better being able to do stuff. And I appreciate it. I love it. I'm getting back there, y'all. Alright, so real quick. Up here I'll leave Gorilla Joe Barbecue. He just received a package from Papa and from Uncle Steve Shake and made a video of it. And him and Aubrey are in there. It's freaking awesome. And he's doing fantastic on his channel with views and his cooks. I'd appreciate you go check him out. Tell him Papa Texas sent you. And also down below is a link to Uncle Steve Shake. And if you're thinking about buying some Uncle Steve Shake, and you go down there and you click on it, and you go over there and in the comments at the end of buying something, you tell them Papa Texas sent you, you're probably gonna get something extra out of it. I mean, I get free stuff from Uncle Steve Shake, but I just sent an order in this week. Of course I said Uncle, not Uncle. Of course I said Papa Texas sent me, but he knows it's me, you know. But he always throws more things in for me. Freaking awesome guy. All right, let's go walk around and look at what Papa Texas did today. Yeah. Well, there's the bundle I put together for the city to pick up. Of course, those are all leaves and sticks and stuff. And I got these sticks I had to put in bundles. Let's move forward. Oh, come check this out. I also filled out all this with the big stuff. I got tired, so this stuff's going somewhere. I know where it's going, but I can't tell you. Yeah, that's the table I worked off of. And check out this over here. This is Gigi's little garden, and she wants to start working on it again. So over here I cleaned out most the leaves out here for her. This bundle here, I cut some of these leaves off that were up in touching my roof. Yeah, Gigi says, you put that tree too close. Well, that was like 25 years ago. Alright, what else I do? I clean out the leaves on this side. Oh, check this out. That is the first original 1972 Chevy Love truck I had. That's the tailgate to it. My garden is sad, but that's my 6 tomato plants. That there, back there is squash. It's going to grow up to there. This here is cucumbers. I have no idea. I can't remember. It's going to grow up here. If they meet, I have no idea. Over here we got, these are corn. We got some corn growing. And over here, we got some bell peppers down in there. This is where I used to do the taters. We're not doing taters this year. And this one over here, we got some carrots on one side and something else on the other side. I don't know what it was. I cut this down today. See that over there? And that over there? Yeah, I cut all that down. But the reason I like to leave it there is it helps keep my fence from falling over, so I don't cut below there. Check this out. This thing used to be crowded with branches for many years. I cleaned it out, y'all. And there's where my dog Bubba, he's buried under there. Maddie went around and on her own, I didn't tell her to, she collected some of his stuff and put it in there. Let's see what else we got going on. Okay, the ruckus. I got somebody gonna come look at the ruckus, get it fixed up. It's a family member, so I get to use it when I want to, but I've had it sitting around since 2017. I just bought it to help somebody out. Over here, our red tip petunias. Okay, here's a sneak peek. Yeah, there's Papa's world back there. The sneak peek, we've been cleaning this up, or I have. Ain't nobody helping Papa. I cleaned this up, cleaned up a lot. In the process of cleaning this up, working on it. Of course, the pool, not happening this year. And then I'm trying to figure out how to cut down and trim up this tree. I did this today. We got our AT&T wire. I don't know if you can see that or not right there. We're working on that. This area been freaking crowded forever, and I'm throwing all that stuff away. It's just old wood, cooking, or firewood. It's going away. I'm trying to get these trees out of here. This is a tree we cut down. I think it was full of ants, and that's what, when my trailer was sitting there, I think this tree helped put ants in that trailer. I need to cut the rest of that down. Then we go over here. Here's an old, oh, we're gonna throw that thing away. I found it like 30 years ago, 40 years ago. This is one of my trailers. I'm gonna redo it. So when we go camping or to cabins and stuff, I can take all the stuff. And this right here, I still need to cut this up and do something with it. And it came from this area that's all nice and clean. We're working on it. I don't know what to do about that cabinet. Gigi wants to make plants out of it, a planter or something like that. I don't know. Anyway, back to Papa. All right, part of the giveaway. That is not Bud Light, okay? No more Bud Light. But we're gonna go with the giveaway. Gator Shake, South Texas Red. Both these are freaking awesome. Oh, Texas Cajun, the original. Cooking with CJ's West Texas Coast. All right, for now, these are in the giveaway. If you made it this far, you're in the giveaway. Let's go up. I'll get these to you if you're in the giveaway. How do you enter the giveaway, Papa? Well, first thing you do is you hit that bell. Two more things you do. Leave a comment, and when you comment to me, you call me PT. 2 letters, PT, capital, and say whatever you want to do. Whatever you want to say. And then, that's freaking awesome, isn't it? And then, I mean, I think that's it. I don't know. To get in the giveaway, all you gotta do is in the comments mention PT. 2 letters, PT. Papa Texas, PT. If I see PT, those are in the contest. Enter PT and make a comment, and you have the chance to get them babies right there. Yes, you do. Whether you make videos or not, you got a chance to get those. Will come out. I'll wait a week or so. Freaking awesome lineup right there. Really is. Of course, Papa Texas will be back when he tastes again. I love Uncle Steve Shake. It's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. Check them out. See ya. And good luck.